Okay, now we move on to section 2, and the title of section 2 is a case study of a risk assessment for general office cleaning. Case study of risk assessment, underline risk assessment, how to assess the risk, and then general office cleaning, like while cleaning the office, what are the general risks? Assessment of those risks will be discussed here. So we've got a case study, like there was a company and the risks involved while cleaning. For example, now we've got these windows. If you want to clean them from outside, what are the risks involved in that? Okay. So the passage is about that, and then they mention a commercial cleaning service took a new contract to clean an office complex. Before sending cleaning staff to the office, the manager of the cleaning service carried out a risk assessment using guidance provided by the health and safety executive. Now we look at questions. Questions 15 to 21. Okay. Complete the flow chart below. Now we've got flow chart. Whenever there is any completion type of question, complete the notes below, complete the sentences below, flow chart below, diagram below. Questions and their answers will be in order. So complete the flow chart below. Choose one word only from the text. So no number, nothing else, just one word. Stages followed by manager in carrying out risk assessment. Now you will have to go through stages. The first is he visited the office to be cleaned and noted potential risks. Second, he talked. Now when they use the word he, what does it mean? Manager. They mentioned stages followed by manager. So whenever they say he, it means manager. And if manager has written this article, he would use the word I. So you should notice that. He talked to health and safety dash about the risks. He talked to. Now let's go back. Second paragraph. Talk to. For talked, they may use the word discussed, consulted and all that. Second paragraph, third line. Following this. Found it? Okay, now please follow me. Second paragraph, third line. Following this, he consulted the health and safety representatives of the cleaning service about these risks. So what will be the answer? Representatives. Health and safety, and then representatives. Okay, let's go on. At a meeting, he talked to the client company about the policy of the company regarding dash. Now look for the word policy or standard. Client. Okay, it's the third paragraph, second line after full stop. Got it? Third paragraph, second line after full stop. These included the client company's own standard of housekeeping. So the policy of the company regarding housekeeping, and then they mentioned such as the immediate clearing up of spills and keeping walkways clear, and then they use the word clear walkways. So what will be the answer? Housekeeping. At a meeting, he talked to the client company about the policy of the company regarding. These include the client company's own standard of, standard of housekeeping and policy of the company regarding housekeeping. Answer is housekeeping, and remember it's one word. Housekeeping is one word. Okay, let's go on. Then we've got question number 17, procedures to be followed in case of. Now procedures should be followed in case of what? Same paragraph we read on. After housekeeping. Such as the immediate clearing up of spills and keeping walkways clear, as well as the action to be taken if a fire broke out. If a fire broke out means in case of a fire. So for in case of, they use the word if. And answer is fire. Okay? Now, let's go on. Facilities available to cleaners. For example, space available for dash. Now, cleaners. Facilities for cleaners. Right? It's the fourth last line of third paragraph, please follow me. He also established, found it? He also established. So, third paragraph, fourth last line, he also established that facilities and equipment would be available to the cleaners, including the amount of storage, space available for storage, including the amount of storage. So the right answer is storage, and then they mentioned storage space available. Storage space available means space available for storage. Right answer is storage. Question number 19, a way of dash risk and hazards. Way of dash, same paragraph after storage space available, as well as the availability of sinks and taps, etc., and agreed on a method. Now what is method? Method means way. Method of reporting near miss accidents. Method of reporting near miss accidents. So what will be the answer? Method of reporting means way of reporting. Answer is reporting. Okay, then there is a point without any question. We will just leave that. Please come to question number 20. He compared these two information. Now these, we don't know what is these, so we need to read above. Let's read above. He created a risk assessment. I'm reading questions above question number 20. He created a risk assessment document identifying existing controls of risks and hazards. Okay, he compared these. These means risks and hazards. He compared these to information that the HSE provided on its. Now HSE and on its. Where is HSE? Second last paragraph and second last line. The manager then compared these to the good practice guidance set out on HSE's website. So HSE provided on its website. HSE's website and its website. Answer is website. Question number 21. He displayed a copy of the risk assessment inside a. Now where did he display the copy? Inside. Last paragraph, available to all cleaning staff. Last paragraph and third last line, finally. Found it? Last paragraph, third last line, finally, to ensure that all the cleaning staff had access to a copy of the risk assessment, the manager printed a copy in the cupboard. In the cupboard means inside a cupboard. So correct answer is cupboard. Well done.